how to fix Instagram comments not showing. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram comments problem. So all what you have to do is open the settings page on your phone and then go to the apps manager, go to apps right here, and then scroll until you find Instagram like this and then click on it. And after you click on it, now all what you have to do here is simple. Just click on the storage option and then click here on this clear data and clear cache and then go back. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just click on this force stop option, and with this method the problem is gonna be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later. Thank you so much.